Welcome to AppStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Git Bash shell. Git Bash shell allows you to do this. Open any folder, right click, select Open Git Bash here. See this terminal window? It is alternative to Command Prompt or PowerShell in Windows. Git Bash is useful because it gives Windows users a Unix-like command line environment along with Git. If you develop websites, use React and Node.js, use GitHub, work with hosting, connect through SSH, or just need a better utility to execute commands, Git Bash is an excellent choice. So here is how you can install it in Windows. Search Git for Windows and go to this result, Git install for Windows. Download the installer, preferably this one, standalone installer, Git for Windows x64 setup. After it's downloaded, install it, press next, install. After installation, it gives you Git Bash. Then you can right click in any folder and choose Open Git Bash here. And in this terminal, you can type commands and do stuff that you like. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.